I jumped out of the thing and it freaking. I jumped out to repair it and things slid into the water. Guy by me, come to me. Need backup.
I'm coming.
Fuck, I'm dead. He's right there outside.
Outside? Did you get him?
I'm dead.
I got him.
I'm trying to see if the little bird spawns
just
again.
missed you. Just missed it.
Oh, someone took the
Sorry,
little bird.
Ness.
There's a chopper around here. Right above
Give me
us.
a pack.
I just got the
Thank
guided
you.
missile
Let's
for
go.
the freaking
Alright.
spawn on you guys.
Jet.
Going back inside, going back inside.
No more transport, guys.
Oh. Ouch.
He's gonna shoot the walls out.
Let him try.
He's running away.
He took off. Oh, he's circling back. No, he's not.
Oh, we're good. Nothing.
I'm running back into the middle.
Yeah, I'm running with you guys.
I'm bored.
Man, I would have stayed alive if it wasn't for the freaking chopper. Just like I
Little
parked
bird's
it
going
near
down.
the pier, and it slid into the water. I was like, fuck.
I saw.
D. I hear a vehicle.
That's our vehicle.
That's us.
We're losing D, yeah.
Check left and right
Yeah,
right
we're
here
getting-
before we cross the wall.
I got right.
Nothing.
Skeletal,
Here, got
skeletal.
He's dead.
A
Got him.
I'm hurt. B.
It is.
See, Avelino, we can run this shit when we start a map too.
BBB. We've lost the objective.
We're getting that shit back. Cause we are cute.
Chopper's coming into you guys.
Roger. There's nothing I can do.
The AA's taking him out. I think he jumped out.
See nobody. Spotted him. He's on the building window. Little warehouse. On the left of it, outside. He was out there.
Wait, the main middle one?
This one right here, this little one, little warehouse. I think I saw him. I might be wrong.
Doing right, doing right.
No, here, two of them. Fuck, two of them. My side. Behind it, they got me.
Got one.
I threw a grenade.
Thank you.
Grenade.
There's our little bird. Apparently this guy's a good pilot too.
I jumped in.
Go ahead.
I jumped in too because I thought everybody was. Where are you taking us, dude?
I'm by myself. Shit, there's a tank at B.
Shit, we're gone, dude. We're heading east.
Too late.
Oh, okay, we're
Jumping out right here, Ned.
Yeah. I'm gonna jump out on top of the
We're
building.
losing B. We're losing B.
Oh, on
E,
top,
and
son.
E.
That guy's throwing. We're getting evac.
Alright, you know, I'm going to D.
Look, shooting at us.
Prepare. No.
We're getting D back. We have D.
I didn't make it. I freaking jumped in it.
Ned,
I jumped in it.
no.
Try to lift it off the ground. And it went down.
There's a Jeep at B.
Spawning the little bird.
I'm going to B.
I'm going to B too. There's tanks and a Jeep there. Yeah, that's a lot of
I need to get that freaking AA down or I'm gonna have trouble.
Where are you?
It was at E last I saw.
I think they're pushing A.
Using A.
Fucking.
I'm gonna pick all up.
I'm going to B. No, cover the B. Oh, so we're up emerging to B.
I'm coming to B.
We're looting. B should be good, dude.
Here, me.
Hey,
Yeah,
jet.
oh, fuck.
Jet. Watch out, man. Joe was trying to take me out.
Nailed.
Here, I'll carry him off.
He's dead. Going back to repair.
Suppressed the helicopter.
Our tank got jacked, dude. Watch the hills. There's a fucking tank in the hills.
Pack. Give me a pack. Give me a pack big time. Just jump in.
Where are you?
Just jump it in.
Are we good? Come, jump in. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, fucking kill. Where you wanna go? A. Going to A.
Where?
Oh, we're getting Alpha back.
Hey, Ned, there's a tank all the way overlooking me, dude.
Oh, well, fuck him. Jump out over here. Jump out.
Jumped out.
Right here on the left, behind y'all guys. There's a dude. I don't know where he went.
On the hill
He's
or
dead. Now they got him.
what?
He's dead. That guy. Getting locked. Getting locked.
Whoa.
Helicopter behind
I
you.
got shot.
I see him.
Oh, fucking
That's
jet.
what's locking on me.
Coming in, dude. Fucking hurt.
Pull him back. This helicopter's
Here,
locking on me.
pack down. If you run up to me, there's a pack.
I'm coming.
Pull back until y'all get the freaking helicopter out of the air.
I'm going. They ran away.
He ran away.
Come back. Come pick him up.
Oh, really?
Right here, along the beach.
Coming. Is he dead?
No.
No, he's right there.
Got him.
Alright, jump in right here, right here.
Man, that's a bunch of crap.
Right here.
I hit him too.
Another one. Got him.
Jump in.
Checking for more. There was another dude here.
Jay.
Yep. Go. Go.
Pull up, you stupid fucking shit. Oh, that's weird. I was pushing
He's
up.
got an A. Oh, there's one. Oh,
Where do you wanna go?
there's one right here. Right by where I fell out.
There's more.
He's in the hill.
Okay, jump out. Jump out. Clear this shit.
I did. Fucking.
They got it.
Nothing. Come to the road.
Chopper, dude. Chopper. Watch out. He's overlooking us.
Hurry up.
No. Go without looking at you. Pull up. Get out of there.
Chopper's not paying attention to me. Now I'm getting locked.
You're fine. Get out of there.
No, someone's locking me.
What?
Oh, fuck. What was that? A rocket?
Chopper, I think.
Alright, jump in. We're getting out of here.
Hey, Ned. Along
Oh, shit,
the
jet.
hill. Get up.
Ah, fucking jet killed me.
Fucking fail. Me too.
He killed me as a
Disabled.
pilot. What a dick.
Can't res you?
Little bird.
Oh,
Little bird's
helicopter
about
went
to die.
into the water.
Is it fine or is it done?
Yeah. Get it. It's up.
A minute.
Jump in it.
Oh, someone else is driving it.
Oh, dang.
Oh my god, who the fuck is shooting at me? They don't like me.
I don't know what this guy's
I'm
doing.
about to
He's just
shoot
flying
you out of
super
there,
high.
you Top Gun.
Hey, we're losing A.
Nope, be careful if you spawn on me. No!
Spawn us.
There's a jet. He's going after me. And he can't kill me.
The chopper.
Stuck in the guy with the freaking...
There's two.
There's an A. Really wish this guy would freaking hurry up. This guy's just flying super slow, really high.
He's back up.
Go somewhere, you stupid fuck.
There he is. Got a guy. Jump
Shit,
back.
I'm at
I crashed.
Yeah, I'm at Charlie.
What? Dude, I kept telling you, go to A. I spawned on you and ran back to A.
Got a guy here at B.
I'll come back.
I'm gonna be by myself.
They only have 9 points. I think we got it. Was that fun for you, Evelina? Was that good for you?
Eh. It's alright.
MVP 3? AP3, bitches.
Nice.
Good job, guys.